The Veda Farming Remingler 520D rock picker is a machine designed to operate under the most demanding conditions, offering maximum durability, minimal maintenance, and consistent long-term performance. Robust construction with a fully welded heavy-duty chassis made of 5-inch thick-wall square tubing. The rotor is equipped with springs for shock absorption. The hopper, teeth, and bolts are manufactured for heavy-duty work, providing high strength and resistance. Its hydraulic system allows the operator to perform all machine movements without leaving the tractor. Features a reverse rotation function to clear blockages. Equipped with a pressure relief valve that eliminates hydraulic pressure shocks. Adjustable rotor speed by regulating oil flow without affecting the tractor's forward speed. Working width, 4.9 feet. Hopper capacity, 60 cubic feet. Without a doubt, the Veda Farming Remingler rock picker is the strongest and most durable on the market. Don't think twice. Mechanize your operations with Veda Farming technology and take your productivity to the next level.